Paano mag-transfer ng fund from Gcash to Palawan Pay? Log into your Gcash account. Make sure you have available balance and click transfer. Mula sa mga bank option, hanapin ang Palawan Pay at pindutin ito. Enter the transfer details, amount to be sent, account number, the 12-digit Palawan Pay number, and click Send Money. Double-check the details and click Pay. Enter the 6-digit authentication code that was sent to your registered Gcash number. Bank transfer is being processed, so you can take note of the reference number. Anyway, real-time naman po ang transfer ng Gcash to Palawan Pay, so you can directly log in na sa inyong Palawan Pay account. Thank you po.
Hold up.